Hello, Jody. This is Joshua from Distance Ed. I'm going to help you out with your issue regarding uploading materials. So we're going to go to week 1, and I notice you've already got a placeholder for your history of nursing. All right. So we're going to go here to Edit HTML. And we're going to highlight the link where you want it to appear in the text, we're going to highlight the text where you want the link to appear. We're going to go up here to this button, which is Insert Stuff. And I'm going to browse my computer where I've already saved your PDF. And if you know where you saved it, you'll be fine. There it is, History of Nursing. And I'm going to click Upload. I'm going to overwrite the existing file because I've already uploaded a version for you. And you're going to get an option here to create the link text, and I'm going to do History of Nursing by Karen Jennis. I'm going to hit Insert, and it's going to create a link. Can delete that. And now it's nice and clean. If I hit Update, it's now a clickable link. And so if you want, you can go back and remove it from your week 1 when where it's outside of the materials. I'll show you. You can remove this now. You could go here and hit Delete. These are all options for you. If you have any questions, please give me a call at extension 1735.